Good day. My name is Erwin Halim. I'm from Bina University. Today I want to make a presentation about our paper. The title of the paper is Examining WordPress Learning to Build E-commerce Using Action Research Method. On the behalf of my friend Zaki, Siti, and Adhi Nugroho. As introduction, we know that e-commerce users in 2017 increased by more than 10% in continues in 2019, and we believe that in these recent years it will be reached more than 170 millions, and projected that in 2023 that will be reached 212 million users. The increase of number of e-commerce users are also supported by the increase of amount of public spending on shopping, increasing use of the internet and mobile devices every year. Uh, if we continue to the SME, small medium enterprises in Indonesia, we also found that only 17% of SME in Indonesia already selling online from a total of 56 million SMEs in Indonesia. And creating e-commerce website from scratch to go live requires a lot of time and effort, high cost of hiring a web developer, and of course they have to pay additional fee to maintain the website. And in the other side, that small medium enterprise trade in Indonesia do not have ability or knowledge on programming languages as a whole. On the other side, we found also that there are rapid application development with CMS, content management system, is one of method can use to develop e-commerce website instantly. CMS is user friendly and so it can be used by people who don't have basic programming. One of the most widely used CMS in the world is WordPress. WordPress provides a variety of themes and plugins that can simplify the website creation process. The research objective is to transfer the knowledge and skill of developing an e-commerce website using WordPress to small medium enterprises as a platform to accomplish. Okay, as literature review, we found that WordPress is one of an open source based content management system that used as a platform for creating a website or blog. And also actually WordPress can be edited using PHP programming language and MySQL for database. WordPress is widely used because it's free, easy to use, and very easy for ordinary people, programming people, and easy to manage the website. Currently, there are more than 28 millions, or more than 30% websites in the world that are based on the WordPress, and more than 64,000 websites created using WordPress in Indonesia. On the other side, WooCommerce, one of the WordPress plugin, which has many features that allow users to easily manage their e-commerce websites, such as payment channel, order management, shipping, voucher, API integration, and so on. The next plugin is Elementor. Elementor also a WordPress plugin that can be used to as what we call as page building. It is live edit, can create their own WordPress based website, create responsive website base, has more than 40 widgets integrated with RTL, which support more than 56 languages in the world, and integrated with API. And the last one is Sendit. Sendit is a plugin for payment gateway and WordPress-based website. Can help WordPress website owner to set up payment for its transaction, because in the e-commerce payment system is very important. The method that we use in this research is we use the data review to explore the related WordPress documentation and knowledge by using related sources through books, journals, and articles on the website. And the second one is we use action research as is to hold the pre and post test to measure participant abilities. Participants involved in research were small medium enterprises players who took part in the online workshop which was held on November 21 and November 28, 2020. The data collection used Google Form on the pre and post test was obtained from 55 participants who filled the complete pre and post test on November 21 and 54 participants on November 28. And the participants come from 25 cities in Indonesia and mostly dominated from the city of Jakarta, Bogor, Tangerang, Bekasi, and Bandung. But we also found that from Aceh to Nusantara as well. And the next is result and discussion. We did the online workshop which was held on November 21 and 28, 2020. Every workshop takes about 3 hours. And the participants are given a pre-test to measure the level of knowledge of the participant. And then we did delivery of theories and knowledge and also practice of developing WordPress e-commerce website until it can be go live. Yeah. And participants were asked to fill the post test after the end of theory delivery. We want to know that the participants are increase their knowledge. And this is the result of the first day. The participant or pre-test and post-test is 55 participants, and the mean score 44, and the mean score is 54, and it increased to 70 after the post-test. This is the question that we collect from the participant, the result of the question. We found that all the participants has increased the knowledge after the workshop. Okay, the next is the second days of the action research test. We found that the participant is only 54 and the mean score 43, but it increased 70 to 71.67. And this is the questionnaire that we give. We give them 10 questions, and all of the participants found that they are increased their knowledge after the 2 days workshop. The questionnaire in the first and the second days are different. Okay, as conclusion and further research, we found that learning WordPress to build e-commerce website for small medium enterprises by following an online workshop is very possible to increase the knowledge and skill of SMEs. And WordPress combining with WooCommerce, Elementor, Vendit are a compact package to build a qualified e-commerce website. The participant behavior are unique and that have influence of success in learning in this research. But we also found that some SME are not serious on learning via online, even the knowledge and skill are very useful for them. And we like to do further research for this point. We want to know why this small medium enterprises participant has this behavior. Okay, please give your opinion for this research. It's very helpful for us to increase the quality of our paper. Thank you very much.